Good evening, ma'am. I am Mark Angelo Linsaga, 19 years old, from San Miguel, Bohol. And I can explain the physical characteristic of older chainsaw. Here what you might notice. General construction. Older chainsaw typically feature a robust build with a focus on durability. They often have more metal components compared to modern chainsaw, which incorporate more plastic for weight reduction. First, this is a engine. Most older chainsaw are powered by two-stroke gasoline engine. This engine require a mix of gasoline and oil to lubricate the internal components. The engine size can vary, but older models tend to be larger and heavier than modern ones. And second, this is a guide bar. The guide bar is the metal blade that the chain rotates around. Older chainsaw often have longer guide bars suitable for filling large trays. The bar length is a key factor in determining the overall size and cutting capacity. And the third is this is a cutting chain. The cutting chain consists of multiple interconnected links with sharp teeth. These teeth to the actual cutting. On older chainsaw, the chain design might be less sophisticated than modern chains, which have been engineered for improved cutting efficiency or safety. And this is my older boxing gloves. There is earliest form of boxing use bare hands, sometimes wrapped in leather strips for protection, the precursor to gloves. In ancient Rome, fighters used a cestus, a leather strip that could be hardened with metal of studs to become more of a weapon than a protector. The first padded gloves in the 18th and 19th centuries were made with leather and stuffed with horsehair, providing better and friction than bare knuckles but remaining bulk and less protective than today's gloves. When by the 1960s, gloves start to see the first development toward modern future tooth style with exposed lace and simpler construction. And that's all. Thank you, ma'am.